Alright, so due to popular request, I will be showing you guys how to make a phone camera stand out of cardboard, aka the broke man's tripod. So, yeah, let's get into that. Alright, start off, you're gonna need your piece of cardboard. Doesn't really need to be anything special, just like a rectangle work, you know, something to cut it with. I don't know, I have these kind of crappy scissors. And you're also gonna need your phone, you know, or whatever and stuff, and then also you're gonna need something to write with. So yeah, get those materials. Alright, so the first step, you wanna figure out kind of basic measurements. Doesn't have to be anything too complicated. I don't know, maybe just cut out like, I don't know, 10 centimeters. That's probably a little much. Maybe just 8. I don't know, something like that. But put a little mark in there. Yeah, right there seems about good. Maybe from that. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're just gonna wanna cut down this line. And you're gonna get a big rectangle there. So, right, yeah, something like this. You know, it's pretty cool. I don't know, you can make it wider if you want. It doesn't really matter. And then you just want to cut another one of those. So I'll just do it by eye. Something like that. Alright, so now that you've got, you know, these 2 or 3 pieces of cardboard, what you're going to want to do is you want to grab your phone, right? This is an important step. Just maybe in like an upper part of it, you just want to put your phone right there, you know, just right there, right? And then you're going to want to draw a nice little box around your phone, alright? This is a very advanced step. Don't draw on your phone. That is not a smart thing to do. Now, if you feel like being extra, you can do it in the exact same position, but no. So, you know, maybe the only thing you probably have to worry about is making it the same height. Yeah, about there looks right. Alright, put your phone back. Continue drawing all the boxes. Alright, once you have your 2 rough designs for the boxes, what you're going to want to do is take some scissors. See these little snippy snips, and then you're gonna want to just stab a hole through that. Don't stab your fingers. There, that's bad. So you know, just do a quick like that, and then just cut out the box. And if your scissors happen to be as crap as mine, you can just use a knife. You know, that works pretty easy as well. So. Cut out this piece. Don't stab yourself. You know we endorse safety here on this channel. Like that, you know. Yeah, that'll work. That's fine. Yeah, okay, and then you just poke that out. Ah, perfect. Yeah, nice, very clean. I don't know. If you want to be perfect, you can, but you don't need to be. Pro tip. Then do the same thing with this one. Alright, now that you've popped out the other one, you should have something that looks like this, right? You know, it's pretty cool. And then here's the cool part, right? You get your phone, and you just put it through there, right? And then you do this. You move it apart like this, right? And then boom. It's a camera stand. How epic is that? Whoa, very cool. So as quick demo, you know, you got your setup right, and you can just like start the video. You can flip it around, and then you know it'll record through there, and then you can just end it whenever you feel like it. And this is great for those cubers that really want to record their solves, but don't have expensive quality equipment to do so. And now you can with the power of cardboard and, I don't know, a bit of equipment. But, you know, it's nothing too special. But yeah, so there, you have camera stand. Very cool. Very, very nice. I use this a lot. And then, you know, this is my old one, right? I needed a new one, so I decided to show you guys how I make it while I made my new one. Yeah, cool video. Okay, done.